Emotions ran high here on the first day of the Patricia Schmidt reckless homicide trial as parents of Tim Getzelman and Lexi Weber took the stand. Dawn Weber and Tamara Getzelman fight back tears while being asked questions about and shown pictures of their respective children, Lexi and Tim. It's an emotional display that likely would have had an impact on a jury. But this is a bench trial, meaning the final ruling will come from the presiding judge, Robin Stuckert. Schmidt had the most grievous charge of driving under the influence of prescription medications dismissed due to lack of evidence. But that still leaves reckless homicide and aggravated reckless driving, Class 3 and 4 felonies respectively. The prosecution is arguing that by driving at all while she had a seizure disorder, Schmidt was acting recklessly.
That caused the death of Tim Getzelman and Lexi Weber. I'm confident that you're find guilty of all the counts of reckless homicide and of aggravated reckless driving.
The prosecutors first called eyewitnesses to describe the accident as it happened in February 2011. Now, the witnesses described Schmidt's truck passing here through the turning lanes, missing the cars in the other lanes before entering the intersection and striking Tim and Lexi's car. The real question of this trial is, should Patricia Schmidt have known better than to have driven having a seizure disorder? And should anyone with a seizure disorder know better, for that matter? And if that's the case, when are they going to start revoking licenses? After the eyewitnesses and Tim and Lexi's mothers were brought in to testify, the arresting officers gave their testimony. Video footage of the officers' interviews with Schmidt was also presented as evidence. The defense chose not to make any opening statements until after the prosecution finished presenting evidence. They did conduct some brief cross-examination of the prosecution's witnesses.
She was cooperative with you?
Yes, she appeared to be.
She gave you her insurance, she gave you her driver's license?
Correct.
Now, the trial continues March 3rd. If she's convicted, Patricia Schmidt faces probation or up to 5 years in prison. This is Alan Kozlu reporting from Sycamore.